Looking for a move-in ready home in Providence? This 2-bed, 2.5-bath condo at 131 Fruit Hill Avenue number A3 offers 1,874 square feet of updated living space. The kitchen is fully renovated with granite counters, stainless appliances, and soft-close cabinets. The oversized primary suite includes a whirlpool tub, tiled shower, and walk-in closet. Hardwood floors, vaulted ceilings, skylights, and plantation shutters bring warmth and natural light throughout. Recent upgrades include a new central AC, Navian heat and hot water, and 200-amp electrical service. Enjoy your private deck, 2 parking spots, and a garage with a full basement for storage. Offered at $455,000. Join us for the open house Saturday, August 30th from 11 to 1. Don't miss this one. Contact June Mullen to schedule your showing. Gold Door Realty. See it, feel it, imagine more.